Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today I have my baby sister and she is going to cook with me today. She is here for the week working.
Yes.
Are you having a great
Oh,
time?
I'm having a blast.
So we are going to make you some summer spaghetti
Bolognese.
I want to call it Bolognese. Bolognese.
That's how
That's
it's
how
spelled.
it's spelled. Say it again.
Bolognese. Bolognese.
Summer spaghetti bolognese. Okay, so the first thing I've got some water boiling, getting it ready for our spaghetti, and I've chopped up a few things just to save time. So in this bowl, I have some celery and some carrots chopped up, probably about a cup each of those. And then we're going to chop up an onion, and we are going to slice these tomatoes. And these are the, I don't even know what these are called.
I don't either, but they look good.
They're just kind of a medley. I love these. They're all different kinds. So we're going to slice those in half, and then we are going to dice up an onion to save. Oh, here, let me give you that.
Just kidding.
Let's switch. There. Okay. So we're just going to chop this. This is a sweet. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sure. Okay.
We got a sweet onion.
I almost broke my hip last night because I think some ranch had dripped onto the floor, and I go bebopping by, and my legs went shoot, and I felt my hip go, and I was like, oh my gosh. So, but thank goodness
I'm a chiropractor. Right. And I will take care of that.
And that good Native American 800 milligram ibuprofen,
right,
works miracles.
I've been taking some of that myself.
Oh man! And then we're coming downstairs last night, and
you slipped on the last
two steps, like whoo, bam, bam. Had it been any more, I would have probably broken my tailbone. So.
You know what? I fell down the hole.
I know. I remember. Cause remember, I spanked your bottom.
Yeah.
And you got so mad at me, and I didn't understand why. Didn't know why. And you were like, "Listen, I fell all the way down the stairs,
the whole flight of stairs."
And I was like, "Sissy, I'm so sorry. I didn't know."
Yeah, it was raining outside, and I slid right down.
Ooh, it was scary.
It is scary. You're gonna start with a stick of butter. You're gonna just throw it in to our pan. You're going to start off with your chopped carrots and your celery, and you're going to get those, look at this little baby spoon. I got that for the garlic. We're also going to put in our chopped onion, and we're going to cook this medium high and a little bit of garlic. Now if you have fresh garlic,
How much you want?
I do the rest of that.
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
Just go for
I
it.
like me some garlic.
If you want some more, I have some more.
Well, I do need to go buy a price chopper and get some more of this.
So we love this. I'll get some more real quick. We love this roasted garlic. If you want to use fresh garlic, that's great. But
This is good stuff.
it's so good. And you know what? You can't find it.
No, I can't find it.
They have it here at Price Chopper in Branson, but LaDonna can't find it in Oklahoma City. So we usually stock up while she's here. I'm going to put a little more in there. I love this stuff. It is so good. This is over in the produce section. All right. So you're going to cook this slow and low. Well, not really, ish. slow and low-ish. But we're going to try to get it to hurry along because we got things to do. He doesn't like my can opener. Greg hates my Pampered Chef can opener. LaDonna couldn't get it to work either, and I was like, Greg hates it. Maybe it really is defective.
Well, it just took, I don't know, it didn't want to pop it off of there.
If you have time to cook this slow and low, that's good.
Yeah.
We're going to go a little fast and furious. Hopefully it'll get there. We're going to cook this for a minute, and then we'll put everything else in. Put a little bit of crushed red pepper in there. Just a couple of sprinkles. There we go. So this recipe calls for a Pinot Grigio, and I only have this because somebody gave it to me as a gift because it had my name on it.
Nothing has my name on it.
It does not have your name on it.
No.
LaDonna's name is spelt Ladawna. You know, Dawn.
Dawn.
But people read it and they She has been called LaWanda, because for some reason that W just throws them off.
Phew,
Yeah,
right
it's
out
crazy.
the window. And I just go, yeah.
So we're going to open this up to save time. Now this recipe calls for this, but if you don't have it, if you don't have any Pinot Grigio, is that it?
No, it's
Oh.
Grigio. A lot of people who
Like, I don't know.
have no
Grigio.
enunciation. They
Pinot
say
Grigio. Well, I don't
Grigio.
have enunciation
Yeah,
for sure. I mean, Bolognese. Anyway, so we're gonna. I think you could use chicken broth, or you could use your pasta water.
Oh, yeah.
So either one. But I just happened to have this because it was a gift. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I think did Robin and Damon bring this to me? Crap! I had a couple people bring this when we opened the bed and breakfast, and I have like several of these, and so I've got to use them up. All right, we'll get this open somehow.
Oh, and I waited on a LaDonna yesterday.
Was her name spelled?
Oh, it's D-O in it. She goes, it's L-A Donna.
Oh,
D-O-N-N-A.
Well, I mean, it's cool that yours is different. All right, so I got to figure out how to open this. So do I peel this off first?
Yeah. Here. No. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
There you go. That's good. That'll work, man. That'll work.
Okay. Now, the last time I tried to do this, I mutilated. I mutilated
Right.
that cork.
The cork will. I don't like these.
Oh.
I like a handheld, like a just one.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Well,
Just
I might have one of those.
That's okay. We already got it in here. Oh, Lord, don't let it bust.
Don't let it bust, Lord. There we go. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, I mutilated it last time. Okay. Ooh, this is looking good.
It is.
Smelling good.
Smelling really good.
Hey, we don't have fresh basil. We have dried basil. So if you have fresh basil, I would wait until the very end to put it in.
Yeah.
But since ours is dried, we're going to go ahead and just put it in and let it cook in.
Well, she put a bunch in. How
Yeah,
much
she
do you
did.
want?
She put a bunch in, but
Man, I know.
I don't know. You measure with your heart.
I think that looks good.
Okay, that does look good. All right, so if you've got dried basil, I would go ahead and cook it in with this. And everything is starting to look really good and translucent, so it's just about time we're going to add our meat in. Now, you're not going to want to brown your hamburger meat. You're just going to want to cook it. What is this?
I don't know. I thought it was a basil leaf flying around
Maybe
out
it
of
was.
there.
It might have been.
Because I saw it and I was like,
Okay, it might have been a basil leaf. Okay. Or a gnat.
something.
A gnat.
Gnat.
Okay. Now, this is looking pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and put our beef in. Now, this is ground sirloin. You can use just ground beef, or you could use Italian sausage.
Oh, yeah.
That would be
I'm
good,
not a
too.
big fan of Italian
Oh, you
sausage.
are?
No.
Oh, I am.
No.
I am.
Robert's not either. We're just like, Now, regular sausage, I like that, but
Yeah.
I don't know if no.
So you're not going to want to brown it. You're just going to want to make it kind of creamy. So Aunt Mary Bear puts half a cup of water in her hamburger meat when she browns it. And it is. It's really nice and creamy. And
it breaks it up really fine.
If meat can be creamy, it does. It makes it creamy. But anyway, so yeah, you're just going to kind of bust it up in here and get it nice and mushy. We're going to do salt and pepper. Now we're going to add some tomato paste. Now in the recipe that we watched, sorry. Okay, so now we're going to add some tomato paste.
Greg.
Right? Now we're going to add some tomato paste.
I need a spoon.
Right here. I have one for you.
Just kidding.
Okay, so in the recipe that we saw, she only used like a big dollop of it. But we're going to go ahead and just use this whole can because we don't want to waste it, and it's really not that much. I mean, I think this is 5 ounces, or I should probably look, but I think it is. Turn this down just a little bit. All right, we're going to get this mixed in. This is your secret ingredient. Better than bouillon chicken base. So we're going to use it. A good tablespoon of that. So let's go in with that. She said that's going to be
The kicker.
the kicker. Add our Pinot. And I'm just going to do what? What do you think? Maybe a cup?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to throw your tomatoes in, and you're just going to cook these until they pop. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna, I know, it looks so good and it's so beautiful. I'm gonna go get our spaghetti ready. I'm gonna use Rayo's. I haven't used this brand before, but we're gonna try it. I love their sauce, so we're gonna try this. We love Rayo's. LaDonna has used their noodles before.
Pasta.
LaDonna has used their pasta before, but I haven't. This is my first time, but I love their sauce.
Yes.
It is so good. So we use everything in their sauces. So I'm sure the noodles will be good. I mean, I'm sure the pasta will be good too. So we're getting that ready. Look how good that looks.
I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh. It smells and looks delicious. Okay, we're gonna drain our spaghetti. Gonna pop it right back in here. Just like that. There we go. Get a little facial. I like to throw a little butter in my pasta.
Yes.
Wonder what that is.
Sounds like a truck.
Back it up, Terry.
Back it up, Terry.
Dang. What is
I
that?
don't know. I've never heard it.
That is very close.
It's in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it sounds like it. It's upstairs. Oh well. I'm sure we'll
didn't
know
hear
in a
a
minute. All right. I have a little bit of grated Parmesan right here, and then we'll just dish it out. Little spaghetti. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
So exciting.
I think you guys are gonna like this. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Cheers.
It's delicious.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
It really is delicious. I mean, and you could probably do any kind of pasta. You could do
Penne.
fettuccine. You could make a casserole out of this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Go make it. It is
Go make it.
Go make it. It is
Totally.
I could just eat the sauce on a big piece of bread. Mm-hmm. With some Parmesan on top.
Gosh, yes.
Okay, there's another idea. You can just make this sauce and just, it is so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Ooh, me too.
So good. All right, so you guys go make this.
Hot.
If you guys are in Branson, Missouri, on vacation, and you're hungry, come over here to Local Flavor and see us. This week, LaDonna will be here, and then you'll be back. She'll be back next month for 3 weeks. 3 weeks in a row. And so come and see us at Local Flavor. We would love
and see us.
Yeah, we would love to have you. So
And the
everybody
girls are here too.
Yeah, Ava and Livy are here working. So we would love to have you for lunch or supper.
Yes.
We're on 76 Country Boulevard, right on the strip. So everybody have a fantastic day, and we'll see you.